In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund for an order you've recently canceled. Navigating the post-cancellation refund process can be a bit tricky if you're unfamiliar with the steps, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's dive right in. Once you've canceled the order, the first thing you need to do is make your way back to the order details page. This is where you'll find all the information you need about the transaction and, most importantly, the option to issue a refund. This is a crucial step, so be sure you've navigated back to the correct spot to avoid any confusion. Now, you should see the option labeled Issue a Refund. Go ahead and click on this. It will open up a new window allowing you to process the refund. Here, you get to decide whether you want to refund the full amount or perhaps only a partial amount, depending on the circumstances of your cancellation. It's important to consider what is fair and what you agreed upon previously, keeping in mind the buyer's experience and expectations. After deciding on the type of refund, you'll need to enter the refund amount. Double check to ensure you've entered the correct amount. This helps avoid any potential mistakes that could require further corrections and communications. Confirm your input and keep in mind that transparency and attention to detail are key here. Once you have confirmed and are certain the refund amount is correct, proceed to click the refund button. This action will finalize the refund process, so make sure you've reviewed everything thoroughly. Remember, once the refund is processed, it might be more complicated to make changes or reversals. At this point, although optional, you have the opportunity to notify the buyer about the refund. Sending a message explaining the reason for the cancellation and the refund can significantly enhance communication and trust. It reassures the buyer that you're handling their transaction with attention and courtesy. Plus, it often helps maintain a positive relationship with the buyer, which is beneficial for future interactions. In summary, handling refunds smoothly is crucial for maintaining good customer relationships, and following these steps will help ensure everything goes off without a hitch. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough of how to issue a refund after canceling an order. I hope this guide has been useful for you, and feel free to refer back to it whenever needed. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials that'll help you tackle different transactional processes with ease.